Why, hello there. Today we're going to a restaurant we haven't been to on this channel yet, and that is Bojangles, or as an old coworker of mine would call it, Bojangles. Or if you want to say it, you can say Bojan Giles, Bojangles, or something like that. Okay, so Bojangles has two sandwiches we're trying out. That are here for a limited time. Let's see which one we'll do first. We'll do the Bo's Bird Dog first. This is on the menu. It's you can only buy them two in a pack of two for $5. And let's see what we have here. And right off the bat, this thing is oozing with the Carolina Gold barbecue sauce. It's got the potato bun. And it's got pickles. I'm gonna take these pickles off real quick because I don't like pickles. And it's weird. Well, nah, I ain't gonna tell you that. Something different. I ordered this through DoorDash actually, and you couldn't. I can just take the pickles off, but it'd be nice if they had an option where you can have them, no pickles. But whatever, that's okay. All right. That's the Bo Bird Dog, and that is called a Chicken Supreme. That's the name for their chicken strips. There we go. Let's have a bite of this. It's not bad. Let me see. It's definitely got the right perfect sauce coverage. I would say the potato bun's okay. I would like it if it was toasted a little bit. $2.50 for one of these is it's okay. I could maybe see $2 here. It's not the biggest sandwich in the world, but at least it's under $3. It's kind of reasonable. Grade on this, the Bo's Bird Dog, the Bojangles Bird Dog. Grade on this. This is a solid. This is a solid B. This is an 85 out of 100. Again, I like it if the bun was toasted. If there was an option for no pickles when you order through online. And also, I think it could be a little bit cheaper. It could be $2 or 2 for $3 or 2 for $4, 2 for $5, $2.50 for this little thing is. Understand inflation, yeah. It's I'll gripe about it a little bit, but it's not as big a ripoff as Taco Bell doing these little paper thin tacos for $3. Okay, next. We have something that you'll really love, I think. Let's see. What is this? The proper name, I believe. Sausage BoBerry Biscuit. Okay, it's a country style sausage patty topped with sweet icing, served on a made from scratch buttermilk biscuit stuffed with berries or blueberries. These are also on the menu. You can only get them 2 for $5. So I'll take it out of the package here. And Get the ice in there. You see, dun 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 dun. Little ice in the patty, the berries, and oh yeah, a lot more ice in there. All right, have a bite. Mmm. mm. Mm. There's been a hack on Facebook last few years about doing the BoBerry with chicken. I have to say, I think the sausage is very good. Very good. This is definitely a home run. Hmm. Wow. Great contrast with the sweetness of the blueberries, the vanilla icing, and then that little bit of that zesty kind of, what flavor? Sage of the sausage. Wow. Very good. Very, very good. Bojangles, you wow, you make my heart and taste buds sing with this one. This is a perfect 10. This is awesome. Definitely get this. 100% VV. Yeah, VV. This is definitely putting the gur in swinger. Again, the sausage BoBerry biscuit. Awesome. It's awesome, VV. Talk to y'all later. Bye-bye.